What's up, people? Wanted to do an update on my in-dash radio. I did a review on a cheap 10-inch in-dash radio probably about, I don't know, maybe a year ago. I ended up getting a lot of feedback, a lot of views on that video. I originally purchased the radio for, it was like around 50-60 bucks. I got it off eBay, got it for a really good price, installed it, did a review on it. It really took off, and a lot of people, I had a lot of questions about it. Over the period of time, I got questions about updates on it, and if it still works, does it lag, any issues with it at all. So I just wanted to do an update video on this radio for you guys and tell you what it's like a year later. And if this is something that you should consider buying, or maybe just pass on this one and get something that might be a little bit more expensive and better quality. Alright, so as you guys can see here, I still got in my Dodge Ram. Just fired it up. Still, performance-wise, works well. It's currently connected to Bluetooth for me already. So, obviously I haven't had any issues with it. A lot of people asked that did get this radio how to change the kilometers to miles per hour. As you guys can see, I haven't figured that out. So I'm not usually on the screen anyways. Usually I'm on the radio screen, or I'll be on some type of Spotify or Pandora. So don't really use it a lot, so I wasn't worried about that. But all in all, it seems to be working fine. Go ahead and go into YouTube so I'll show you guys that it loads up just fine. There it is, loaded up. No issues. So all in all, I feel like if you still can get this radio for a cheap price, like I said, I was able to get it early for only 50 to 60 bucks. Prices went up since a year ago, but they got a bunch of different versions on like Amazon and eBay of this, but I still think that this is a good radio to invest in. Like I said, I haven't had any issues, and seems to be working fine for me. As long as, like I said, I think that if you loaded it down with a bunch of apps, then you'd have issues. If you don't load it down with a bunch of apps, then you should end up being fine. Here's the video of the review when I originally got it.
Wow, all the stuff you love and need. Shopping, browsing, stream.
In this video, we're going to take a look at a 10-inch touchscreen Android monitor. So as you guys can see there, that's the original review of it. But yeah. What's up, people? Got this 10-inch monitor that I just installed in the Dodge Ram. Wanted to share with you guys. Like I said, it still works just as good as new. No issues. Still in the truck. Still working fine. So if you guys are interested, I'll put another link in the description box for this radio. Hopefully this answered anybody's questions about the longevity of this radio and if I still use it, if I still got it. I did download this Agama car launcher. It was recommended by one of my subscribers, and it just kind of changes up the face. The only issue is you do got to buy it. I think it was like, I did the trial version, but I didn't go ahead and buy it. But it does give it a different look, a little bit more updated look if you don't like the original look of this Android radio. So maybe that's something to look into for the guys that already have this radio or might buy it in the future. So alright guys, so that's gonna be about it for this video. Just wanted to do a quick update. Hopefully this video helped you guys out if you're wondering how well this radio's worked over the last year. So if this video was useful, hit that like button. If you guys like what I'm doing on my channel, hit that subscription button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.